I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a recovery email from your Gmail account. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and sign in to your Google account if prompted. You will land on your Google account homepage. Step 2. Click Security and Sign In the menu on the left side of the screen. Security options appear on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the How You Sign Into Google section and then click Recovery Email. You may be asked to enter your password again to verify your identity. Step 4. Find your current Google account recovery email listed on this screen and then click the trash can icon next to it. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete your recovery email. Click Delete. Your recovery email will be deleted and no longer associated with your Google account starting immediately. If you prefer to do this on your mobile device, the process is very similar. Open the Gmail app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, tap your profile icon at the top right, and select Manage Your Google Account. From there, tap the Security tab, scroll down to Recovery Email under the How You Sign Into Google section, verify your password, clear out the email address, and tap Save. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.